Hey, it's Danielle from Graceful Glam by Danielle, where I love sharing all things pink, positivity, and ways to make life easier. I love, love, love working out, so I was so excited when I was offered to be sent the Flybird abdominal workout equipment machine. I heard it gives a very good workout for the abdomen, and I feel like that's an area I can always work on, so I was so excited to give it a try. Come with me as I unbox it, assemble it, and try it for the very first time. If you have questions, just let me know down below. I would love to help. Just leave a comment. The equipment linked down below. It's also on a very good Black Friday deal right now, so take advantage of that and let me know if you have questions. Okay, I just got unboxed, so let's see how hard this thing is to put together. So far, it seems like the big main part, the handles, and these smaller items and construction stuff, so let's see. Hopefully it's not too hard. Connect front support tube to main frame with M16 screw. Insert the pin into the adjustment hole. Okay. Okay, remove protective cover. I think I already did that from the armrest ends. Connect the left and right armrest to main frame. Connect handlebar to main frame with the M840 screw and washer. And then it also comes with the Allen wrench, so let's see, it's this lined up and use the wrench. Just want to tighten it up as tight as you can. Be safe. I just do it with my fingers first, and then use this. It's kind of awkward. Okay, last step. Assemble the digital monitor. Connect digital monitor to handlebar with a screw. Connect the induction wire to the digital monitor. The screws are in the back. Okay. Oh, and this handy dandy wrench has a screwdriver thing on the back, so that is awesome. Okay, you can still access the battery area in the back, so that is awesome. When you plug this in, oh, it just goes right here. Okay, so I'm gonna put the batteries in. Okay, good, it's on. That's a good sign. Okay, let's put this cover back on. And then you're just gonna plug this right into the back. I hear no screams. Now that I got it all assembled, it was time to give it a try for the first time. And just a reminder, you can adjust it at the knob and at the pin for the angle of the machine. The higher it is, the harder it is. I found that out the hard way. I had it way too high when I first started. I couldn't pull myself up. I was like, what is going on? So then I lowered it, and then I was able to do it. Since then, I've gotten a lot better. I've been trying to do it on a daily basis, and the more I'm doing it, the better I'm getting at it. But the first time was pretty tricky. I'm not gonna lie, it's a good workout.